Okay, look, the love of licorice that Norway has is out of control. I'm gonna tell you guys a funny story. Well, it wasn't funny to me, but you'll probably find it funny. I was in Oslo and I was at Akershus and I was with a lady, with a lady friend that I had met. And it was nighttime and we were looking out at the Oslo fjord and she had some gum and I was like, oh, wait, I thought maybe, we might kiss or something like that. So I was like, hey, can I get a piece of gum? Why did she give me this right here? Why did she give me this gum? I started chewing this gum in the darkness and I was like, oh, is this licorice gum? Why on earth would there be licorice gum? I had to put the flash on to take this picture because I was like, what am I holding? Was this like a prank? I had just got to Norway, right? So when I tell you that the last flavor that I ever expected in my mind to taste was licorice, I was like, what the She was like, what do you mean? And I was like, peppermint, wintergreen, cinnamon, strawberry, fruit, something like anything except for licorice. I cannot believe that salty licorice. Wait, where's my break? This way, that way. Salty licorice is a thing. I can't believe it.